Hello everybody, today we're going to be unboxing the Romulan bird of prey from the Star Trek show Picard. We got the stand, the other part of the stand, and the ship itself. We got the top of the ship, the side of the ship, the bottom of the ship, the rear of the ship, and the front of the ship. The ship is just over 5.5 inches long, and the ship is about 5.25 inches from front to back. I just want to thank everybody for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day, and thank you.